Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install Java 25 on Ubuntu. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and search for Oracle Java, then hit enter. Now browse this URL oracle.com/java, then click on download Java link. Now select the JDK version and then select the platform Linux. I am going to download the .dev package, Debian package for Ubuntu. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading, and this is the latest LTS release of Java SE platform. After a successful download, navigate to Downloads folder and open in terminal. Now write this command and then I am going to install this Debian package in Ubuntu. So write sudo privilege and then this command dpkg-i and then write the package name with .dev extension, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user, then hit enter. It may take a while for unpacking, setting up and install the JDK. Okay, now verify the installation using this command java version. That's it. Java 25 LTS installed successfully. Now I am going to set the Java home path environment variable. So open a new terminal and then write this command to find the JDK path. Here this is the JDK path. So copy this. Now open any text editor and then open this file with sudo privilege. Enter the password for the user, then hit enter. Now write the environment variable java home and then this path. Now save this file. Then reload. Okay, now verify using this command echo $java_home, then hit enter. If you see this, that means the Java home path environment variable set successfully. Okay, if you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.